Hey, it's Russ. Welcome back. Today we're going to put in a Wi-Fi smart dimmer switch. This is a Kasa, and we're going to use TP-Link to connect it and control it, and then we're going to connect it to Alexa and be able to command it by voice. Switch is kind of nice. It has a trim piece that you can snap on, or you could just put the original one back. So they made it real easy for you. This is the load, which means basically this is what goes out to your light. The black will match the black wire coming in, which is going to be your line. The only difference between the switch and the one you already have is you're going to have to use that white wire. Okay, first we're just going to go ahead and take the cover off. Okay, so you remove the old switch. So a lot of people make the mistake of just, when they wire stuff up, just putting the wires up next to each other and putting the cap on. You really shouldn't do that. You should take some pliers. You want to wrap everything together real nice and tight. Nice and tight. We're going to get a nice pull, make sure everything's nice and tight. The last thing you want to happen is that the wire comes loose inside the wall. Next thing we're going to do here is we're going to download the Kasa app. Then we're going to add it, and then we're going to add the skill to Alexa and connect it for voice control. I'm going to open up the Kasa app, put the plus on the top. I'm going to add a device. We go to a switch. We go to smart dimmer. And say yes, you've wired it up. Is it blinking orange and green? Yes, it is. Yes. And I'm a location. While using the app. Now it's having a search. Connect. Pick your network. I'm going to join. I'm going to name it bedroom. Next. Icon. Well, I'm going to go ahead and pick the switch because that's what it is. Light off. Light on. Go into the switch itself. Power. Simple. Brightness. You can dim it. Right, go to your Alexa app. You got TP-Link Kasa. And you enable the skill, which means from the Alexa app, you will go into your TP-Link account and put in your email and password and authorize it. Connected your TP-Link Kasa app to your Alexa app. And then Alexa will look for the device. Okay, simple. Light on, light off. So your brightness is on the Alexa app itself. Alexa, bedroom light off. Alexa, bedroom light on. Alexa, thank you.